this is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is your most requested figure card reading. Where is this connection heading? What is next? And yes friends, this is a charms reading, so stay connected with me for the charms with each pile. Friends, please do subscribe, like and share our channel. Friends, let me know if this reading resonated with you, and do click the bell icon so you never miss a reading and get the notifications every time I post a reading. Also friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across them, they will help you out in some way, friends. So do join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot, and if you want to buy a personal reading, where you'll go, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Friends, let's take a deep breath without any further ado. Let's take a deep breath and choose option number 1, this beautiful red stone. Pile 2, this beautiful green stone with a butterfly in it. And pile 3, this beautiful yellow stone. So relax, take a deep breath, choose pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Friends, I will leave the timestamps in the comment section below like always, so you can directly skip to the number that you have chosen. You can also choose more than one pile. Friends, I will also be pulling the charms for this reading, so stay tuned for that. So let's see. Oopsie. For those who chose option number 1, this beautiful red stone, this is beautiful. Where is your connection heading? I feel it is heading towards a lot of happiness. Let's see, this is your advice card, and let's see your cards. You have the Ace of Swords, okay, the Magician, wonderful, the Strength, even better, the 8 of Cups, the Queen of Wands, the Fate, okay, number 17, and the 9 of Swords. Oh my god friends, where is this connection headed? I feel you are not in contact with this person, with this, it could be your soulmate, twin flame, your ex-husband or wife, or someone you have a very deep connection. Friends, it could be that person you are asking about. I feel you know, this connection, you both are not in contact with each other right now, and there is a lot of distance and a lot of like, you know, moving away, letdowns, hurt, pain. I feel you walked away from this connection because you were choosing yourself, and this connection, staying in this connection at that point of time meant that you were not choosing yourself, or it was against your values, or this person was not choosing you. They also walked away in some way. I feel you both walked away from this connection. You because this person was not choosing you, and this person because they had some other issues going on in their life. We will look what issues are going on. We'll also look at the charms, so don't worry about it. I feel this person could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or you could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I also feel this person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Friends, I also feel that, I'm sorry friends for the lighting issues, it can't be, sometimes it happens, the autofocus is not so you know how technical things are. And yes, Mercury will be going retrograde, so expect more of that soon in June. So brace yourself up, friends. I feel right now, where is this connection heading? I feel this connection is coming back into power. It is going to come back into power, and you both are going to feel more attraction, passion and love for each other. I also feel this has been an old connection, maybe 8 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. I feel your person is going through a lot of anxiety, a lot of sleepless nights. They are not sleeping well. They miss you. They regret what happened. They regret not choosing you. This person is really unhappy that they let you go. they miss you, they cry about you. I feel this person, I feel, you know, this person, I feel this connection is a twin flame connection, because there is the strength also, there is the both these cards have angels, and both the angels have these twin flame infinity signs on them. So definitely I feel this connection is going in cycles, you know, cycles. It is going in some sort of a cycle, but this is a very powerful connection. Nobody can separate you and this person. If they are the manifester, you are the strength, you know, the goddess of strength or the god of strength. And I feel this person has a lot of faith in this connection, and I feel you also have a lot of faith in this connection, this relationship. I feel this, where is this headed? For some of you, this relationship is trying to make you both stronger by being apart from each other. It is teaching you to be strong, to be there for yourself, to be your own queen or a king. I feel this person is also learning that. I feel there was a point when, you know, when things were like this relationship, this separation was needed to make you both come into a powerful position, to make you both realize that, you know, this is like this. Actually, I should keep it like this, that you are the magician, you are the strength, they are the magician. So this time apart, or right now also, you both are becoming this person and this person. And this is age of karma, one is, and this is one for divine starts, new breakthroughs. So definitely this person could be your divine masculine or feminine. I also feel this person, where is this connection heading? There is a breakthrough going to happen in this connection. Communications are going to happen. For others, I feel there may be, if you are not yet separated with this person, there may be a chance that, sorry to say friends, I have to say what I'm seeing. Maybe right now this connection is going very beautifully, and you may be very excited, very happy, looking for marriage with this person or something like that. But some of you may have to separate for a while, or move away from each other, or just stay in a no contact for a while. Why? Or you both may have to learn to be independent and strong for each other or for your own self. If this has not already happened, this is going to happen for this connection. And if you have already become independent in yourself, which I feel 50% of you have already, because this is an old connection. So you have already become, you have been separate from a long time in no contact, and you had been focusing on yourself, this person been working on themselves. So for you, I feel a breakthrough is coming. For you, there will be messages, there will be contact in this situation. I also feel there will be a divine victory, because we have the sign of the you know, the victory crown is here. So definitely a victory is going to happen. And number 17, again number 8, this is a fated connection. Everything that is happening in this connection is fated. Nothing, you know, when you move ahead in future, you can connect the dots. But right now you may find it difficult to understand why they went away, why this happened, why that happened. But in the future, when you look back, you will understand the journey you both have taken. And this is a fated connection. Everything that is happening is destined and meant to happen for you and this person. Let me see, just to clarify what actions this person is going to take. Angels, what is happening in this person's life? Let's see that. Because I feel like they're still trying to run away. Your person is not yet as I feel our viewers are very bold. You could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You both could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, because there is so much red in this card. Look at this. I feel red is the favorite color of this person or yours, or you look amazing in red. See, here is the red, 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 red. Again, the bed is also red. Oh my God, this is sacred union. You know, red is the color of vermilion, the sindoor as we say, or whatever you call it. So red is, you know, It's a pure color. It is the color of marriage also, purity. So what is happening in this person's life? I feel this person has not become as confident and strong as you have become. So what you need to do is stay in your power, but this person needs to become this magician. They need to become this manifester, so they can bring you back in their life. Oh my god, see, spirit is a man holding a heart, number 45. Oh my god, did you see how quick that card came out, flying out? That's amazing, friends. Definitely this person is missing you. They are crying over you. They feel they have lost, there is a torn, he's wearing the jeans is torn, and this person, he or she, this girl, this boy, this man, whoever it is, they feel they have lost you, but they have hope that they will be able to manifest you. And for some of you, this person is going to share their feelings or message you. I feel if this person has long hairs, whether she's a girl or a man or a boy, whoever this person is, they have long. And look at it again, red. Look at this again, red, again red. My god, this is too much red, friends. Something is happening, something is brewing up in this connection. What action steps will this person take? I feel number 17, 18, number 11, 11 is important for some of you. I also feel November and May are important, and January also for this and this person and you. What action steps is this person going to take? Okay. Archangel Michael. See? And there is the yin and yang and adjacent possibilities. Definitely this person could be dealing with some health issues. They could be becoming stronger. I feel this person definitely has gone through a surgery or something, or maybe some recovery. They are recovering from something that has happened to them recently. Or maybe they are just recovering and becoming more strong in themselves. Yin and yang, definitely you both attract each other. You are opposites, but you are perfect. Number 22. See, I told you 11, 11 was important, and out came 22. So adjacent possibilities, number 24. I think you maybe, where is this connection headed? I feel you are keeping very fixed expectations from this connection, that you have to get married to this person. You have to be this and that, then only this can work. I feel this person and you, there is a divine plan, and God is not. See, there is again a red. I have never noticed this. There is again a red dot here, and I don't know why it is there. So I feel, friends, this connection has a divine path. It has a divine journey. You should keep your mind open. If you are trying to marry this person, or just like, I'll date them, I will keep them, you have to keep your mind open. Maybe you are meant to work for each other, like with each other, or create something for each other. Maybe you are meant to get married. We'll see with the charms. But friends, you should keep your mind open. This is a great connection. I definitely see this person coming back, or this person and this connection moving ahead. And because it is fated, something fated will happen. Let us see your advice card. Priorities, master teacher. I feel this person could be married or with kids, or you are married or have kids, or you both are. Or if there are no kids, this person has some priorities like family or money issues. So this person is trying to fix those things so that they can come towards you, or this person is trying to release those things which are keeping them away from you. Like, Archangel Michael is also here, so cutting the cords. This person is trying to cut the cords, but they are struggling a little bit. Let's see your charms, friends. Sorry, friends, I'm really sorry for that. Let's see your charms so we can get more information, friends. Where is this connection heading? I feel this connection is heading into more love and acceptance, and this person coming back, or you both meeting each other. Where is this connection headed? File number 2, file number 1. I don't know why I said 2. Maybe you should look for file number 2 also. Wow, so the alphabets are L and E. So maybe this person wants to write you a letter or something, because Lee is here. Maybe their name is Lee, or maybe Lena, something, the Lena, some maybe a man's name could be Lee, or Luke, it could be a Luke also, anything like that. You also have the Ganesha charm. So this is a fated connection, friends. You don't need to worry about anything. Things are fated. Again, see, there is the bouquet. So this person wants to give you flowers or something, send you some love. There is this, what is this? See, again there is a flower and there is a leaf. So you both are perfect for each other, you know, like flowers and leaves go together. You can see here, every flower has a leaf with it. So you are perfect with each other. There is a starfish. You are this person's hope. You both are each other's hope in life. There is also this drum beat here. So this person wants to tell the whole world that you are theirs. They want to make you their officially. You know, they want to make this relationship official, but I feel it will take some time, because this is fated, you know, this is fated. There is also the couch here with two hearts. So this definitely looks like a wedding thing to me, like the wedding chairs or something. So definitely some of you could get married or end up later in your life with this person. I also see this this is coming lately a lot. Maybe this person is in England or USA, UK. This is the queen, and we have already the queen here. It has some numbers also. It is a pence actually, the money. It has 20, it is 20 pence. So maybe number 20 is important, or maybe the year 2020 is important for this connection. Oh my god, interesting. Mouse. And what else is here? The two of wands. Definitely I feel your person has been a little stuck and scared to take a risk, but two of wands, I think this person will get some maturity, and this connection is reaching an equal point where you both can move forward from there. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like and share our channel, Magic Vance Tarot. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvancetarot.com, friends, and do join us on Instagram as Magic Vance Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now. So for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful green stone, it has a butterfly in it, which is amazing. Friends, let us see where your connection, your relationship, whatever relationship, your crush, your twin flame, your ex-husband, wife, your marriage, wherever, whatever relationship, your friendship, that relationship is going, where is this connection heading next? We are going to see that, and charms are also here with me. This is your advice card, so we're gonna look at it in the end. Let's see. Okay, let's see your cards. Wow, the 5 of Pentacles. Okay, Ace of Pentacles could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. 3 of Wands. Interesting. The Judgment. Okay, could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The World. Knight of Swords could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So I will explain later. Just give me a second. The 5 of Cups, the 5 of Pentacles. Wow, interesting energy. I'm gonna keep it here and chop the wood. Number 42, number 31, why? And the Death card. Oh my god, you have a lot of major arcanas. 3 major arcanas are here. The Judgment, the World, the Death, and a new beginning is here. Ace of Pentacles, the 5 of Pentacles. Oh my god, this person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or friends, you are a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I also feel you could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or this person is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you both are the same sun signs. I feel, friends, this person and you know, a lot has happened in this connection. A lot has happened. You are fed up of this connection, you are disappointed, this person has disappointed you, they have broken your heart, and you also feel very upset with this person. Something has happened. I feel this person is from Florida, New York, Connecticut, San Francisco, USA somewhere, or there is some connection of USA and Japan, Canada also. I'm feeling something is happening here. I feel you are very sad. I feel both of you are sad right now, or frustrated. I feel sad, deep sadness. I feel this person is feeling, I feel not just this person, but you both are feeling sad. You are missing each other, you are sad, you are unhappy. This connection has either ended right now, or you both are in no contact with each other. I think there is a physical distance. You both are in different parts of the world or something like that. I feel this person is really, really feeling like they have nothing without you, and they are going through a very tough time. I think you are also struggling without this person, or with this no contact, or this no love in this connection right now. You both are suffering. I feel your person is also having a lot of financial issues, or they are feeling really defeated. They feel defeated, and they feel unhappy and lost, and it's really like a sad energy. But I feel, there is this connection itself. I think, where is this connection heading? You have two world cards. I feel this okay, if this is a new connection, let me just say one thing. If this is a new connection, it will start amazingly. This is the most beautiful connection you can ever have. Things are stable, there is a promise of love, there is hope, there is commitment, but I think things can change swiftly in this connection. If this is a new relationship with someone you don't know, so things could change swiftly. And fights can happen, some sort of a argument can happen, which can lead to both of you separating or going your own paths. But I feel you will still miss each other a lot. If this is a new person coming in your life, you will see more with the charms also. But if this is an old connection, I feel for most of you this is an old connection. You miss this person, you also have turned your back, they have also turned their back, you both are missing each other, no contact. I feel there has been some harsh words said in this connection, a lot of pain, a lot of fight backs. I think some truths were also revealed which you didn't like, some hidden news were revealed, something came to light which completely destroyed this connection. I feel your partner is currently, I feel you both need to, where is this connection headed for you? If you already know this person and have known them for a while, 2-3 years, 1 year maybe, or 5-6 months, or maybe, if you are in this energy where you both are missing each other, not in contact, in distance with each other, you both need to step out of something. Your person needs to end something. Maybe, this feeling like, I'm sorry, I'm a victim, this pessimistic, I feel they are very pessimistic right now. And you also need to step out of your comfort zone. You both need to step out of your comfort zone. That is going to make this relationship work, and that will bring a new start. I definitely feel there will be a chance of a commitment, or a solid offer, an apology, or angels or the universe trying to bring you together in each other's life, like cross your path. Universe crosses your path and you just can't help it. I feel something has to end in this connection, and then there will be a new start happening, and that will be a very, very passionate new start, a very powerful new start. I also feel your person could be waiting for this, like when this cycle will end, like fighting, judgments, they want to end it and come towards you. They are getting ready to come towards you. Number 3 is also about communications, and this person wants to offer you something stable, or this connection is heading for you. Some of you, 50% of you, it is heading to a new start and commitment, or a sorry, or an apology, or a reunion sort. But we'll see with the charms also. But for others, I feel you may choose to walk away from this person even if they come back. For some of you, because you feel like you can't trust them, or there is this energy like something hidden was coming to light and then you can't trust this person, or you feel this person needs more work to do. Number 24 is important, 25, August and September are important. I feel this person, number 31 is also important, could be your birth dates or this person's. I feel, where is this connection heading? It is different for different people. For some of you, there will be an ending, you both going to separate paths. For others, if you have already in separation with this person, a new beginning or at least an apology or a contact is coming towards you. For others, this person will contact you when certain things end in their life, but you won't accept them. You will be like, no, go away from me, baby, I don't want you. So this person, or you might push them away. I feel this person is trying to make things better. They are trying to focus on their work, chop wood. So definitely they are trying to do what is necessary for this connection and for themselves. Why? I feel like your person, this is a frustrating, it is a very deep connection for both of you, and it is also frustrating a little for both of you, because you both are like, why this is happening, why we are hurting each other, because you both are in similar energies. Look here, the Five of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, you both are missing each other, you both are in love with each other, but none of you is saying it, and there is this distance, there is something else happening. So you are like, why is this happening? I think your person is also trying to figure the same things out, and just 5-5. So definitely positive changes are coming in this relationship, and something that was hidden will be revealed, like something is hidden, not apparent. Let's see your advice card. Rest, Holy Spirit. So definitely this is a time to relax and surrender this relationship to God and bring peace in this connection, because you chose this green stone. So definitely it is about healing, resting, because there is a time when this connection or this person or you both will move in together, or things will get better for both of you. Let's see what else. What actions will this person take? I feel something needs to end. It could be a karmic situation, third party. It could be this person is at a distance from you. They need to leave that place and be near you. Or you both need to step out of your toxic, negative energies. Okay, indecision. See, this is what is keeping this relationship stuck. I think you are also confused about this relationship. You are also asking why, and they are also your partner is also they are not sure what to do. Should they leave or move ahead? I think you should relax, let it go for a while, let it go and just surrender the situation to God, because the truth is going to be revealed. Where is this connection heading? See, third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. Archangel Chamuel is all about love. He's the angel of love, and he's beautiful, and he's pure and pink and beautiful pink ray. So I feel, yes, a happy energy is going to come, and this connection is going to become more balanced for both of you. Let's see your charms. You should give it but wait some time in this connection, or like give it some time. Rest, Holy Spirit. And you see this person is relaxing at a beach, taking their time, sipping coffee. So pile number 2. I think you were confused between 1 or 2, so you might also want to watch 1 or something like that. So pile number 2, where is this connection heading? Okay. Wow, Spider-Man, Spider-Man. So you have the Spider-Man. So this person is definitely your Wonder Woman or your Spider-Man. And I think they are fond of cartoons, or you are fond of cartoons, Disney cartoons or something like that. This person wants to charge towards you. Look at this guy. This person wants to charge towards you like that. There's a letter alphabet A and T and oh, Tao. Wow, that's a Chinese. Maybe this person is in China. I also feel, you know, Tao is like, I think, I don't know how. Sometimes I can't pronounce, or I think Tao. That's how you spell it, right? So it's a Chinese thing, like energy healing. So it is, you can Google it up, this word. And I feel this connection is T-A and O. This connection, this could be the initials of your person or you. I feel you should relax in this connection. It is going on the right path, and see, here is the aeroplane. So this person is at distance from you. They could be flying into your life very soon. Messages are coming, marriage marriage message is coming, or someone, you know, you could be getting married, or this person wants to say something to you, because we also have the Ace of Pentacles here, and there is the number 26, and we also had the number 31 and the number 24. So there is another number, oh my god, 31. So maybe that's your birth dates or your age. You both are 31, or maybe that's your birth date. And Ganesha is here. See, this is the destined relationship. I feel this person wears a bracelet with Ganesha, or with some there is a specific bracelet this person wears, or you wear. This is a blue card. So this person is coming quickly, and you know, give it some time. Patience. This is also about patience. Wow, smiles, happy smiles. I think you need to shift your energy regarding this connection, like, oh, don't be sad, water. So yeah, this connection is going to go deep, and will progress, and your feelings are deep for each other. Father issues are affecting this connection. Art, and definitely both of you or one of you is an artist. I feel some of you could be, maybe your father or this person's father can help this situation, or they are affecting this situation. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like and share our channel Magic Vance Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvancetarot.com, friends, and do join us on Instagram as Magic Vance Tarot. And let me know if this reading resonated with you, friends. I am looking for that. Do let me know if this resonated. Don't just watch, comment, friends. I enjoy watching your comments, and I try to reply back also. So do comment, friends. Thank you so much. That's it for now. Mystic C saying bye. So for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful yellow stone, let's see where is this connection heading. Oh my, sorry friends, oh my god, I think something is going to happen very quickly. It's like, you know, that sound was interesting. That's your advice card. You got 2, wonderful. We're gonna look at them in the end. We also have the charms, friends, so don't forget the charms are here. At the end, we are gonna look at them. The 4 of Rods, unbelievable. The marriage card, the twin flame card, peace, number 23. 9 of Cups, beautiful. Oh my god, you have 2 9 of Cups from 2 different decks. Oh my god, friends. And this is 9 of Cups and 9 of Cups. Double wish coming true. Wow. 8 of Wands, sorry friends. And the 6 of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles, and the 2 of Wands. Some of you were telling me to shuffle on the camera. Friends, they make the videos a bit longer, and some of you don't enjoy the shuffling because it kinds of, many people eventually come directly to the cards which are already here. And friends, you can see I do not have that much of time to, you know, decide the cards here for your perfect reading, because that's not who I am. Even if I choose the most perfect cards for you, I may end up giving you the, you know, sad message or the message you need, because I am a psychic intuitive medium. I'm not just reading cards. I'm a psychic intuitive medium. So your cards may be positive, but the reading may or may not be. So it's got nothing to do with cards. You have to trust. If you can, it's good for you. If not, that's also okay, friends. Nothing, no judgments here. We love you all. You are very supportive, so I can't judge you at all. It's not my place. So let's see, friends, what's happening. I feel your person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you, our viewers, are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel this person could also be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, a very strong Virgo and Taurus energy is coming, or you could be Virgo or Taurus. I also feel this person has a strong Aries or Leo energy, like they have their Mars in Aries, Leo, or their rising sign is in Aries or Leo. So they also have a very strong fiery energy. I feel this connection is very it's very perfect. You both enjoy each other's company. You are both similar. You both like the same things, and this relationship brings joy to you and to your partner also. Nine of Cups, you both want same things. So if you are asking what your partner wants, where is this connection heading, what do your partner wants from this connection? They want love. They want this wishes coming true. They want to be with you, and the same is that is what you want also, wishes coming true and love just overflowing. And I feel definitely some of you could be getting married with this person, or you could be, if this is a new, I feel some of you, if this is a new connection, things will start, or someone will propose you at this marriage. This person, if this is a crush or something, if they are new, you don't really know them but you enjoy your company, or this is like you are dating them but like they haven't proposed you, I feel in a wedding or in some marriage or some anniversary or some birth date or some special occasion like Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, because Valentine has gone, but maybe Friendship Day is coming, so maybe then they are going to share their feelings. I also feel this person, where is this relationship headed? They want to marry you, or there is a chance of marriage. Both of you want it. There the communications is very strong. The passion you both feel for each other is very, very strong, and this connection is heading in the right direction because you have 9, 9 and 8 to 9, so it is progressing 4 to 9. And we also have the 6 of Wands, so definitely there will be success in this connection. And I feel like if this connection is stuck, I do not feel it is stuck, but if this is like you are not in contact with this person, communications are going to open very, very quickly, like this the sound that came earlier when I started the reading, friends. You are going to get very quick communications from this person, and things are going to like really work out for you. And if you have not been in touch, but I feel you are, most of you, this person, I feel this person lives near a water or lake, or you live near a water, ocean, lake, city, something like that. I feel this person wants to offer you something, or you want to offer them commitment or something like that. This person has been working on their maturity, and you both had been doing that. I feel this person and you have an age gap. There is a lot of age gap, or there is some age gap, or maybe like you are seniors and work difference is there, like senior, junior, boss and assistant, that kind of a thing is there. I feel this person is working on themselves to bring you this engagement ring, wedding ring. You both want the same things. I also feel that maybe for some of you, like 10% of you, I feel you wanted this, you were with someone who got married. You wanted to marry this person, but they got married. But you will be attracting a new person into your life. This reading is getting very deep now. We'll check with the charms also. But I feel maybe this person has already married. Some of you wanted to marry them, but they were already married, or they chose someone else. but your wishes are going to come true. You are going to meet a new person which is going to be perfect for you. But for others, this is definitely both of you getting married, or some sort of a commitment, peace, maturity, success coming in this relationship. Piece number 23, definitely there is going to be a lot of happiness coming your way, stability. If this is a marriage, some of you could be getting pregnant or expanding your family, and meeting your friends, your family, organizing. Maybe you have the child's first birthday coming up, or some sort of a thing like that. So if this is a marriage, it is going into the right direction of expansion, family, love. If you are single, you could end up marrying this person. Let's see your advice cards. Okay, let's first pull what actions will this person take. Wow, I dropped a card. Let me just pick it up, friends. Oopsie. Friends, the card I dropped was women holding a heart, number 44. Friends, absolutely, this is a divine connection, and angels are helping you. Maybe you are destined to get married. If you are already married, things will get better, and your relationship, marriage will get more stable and happier. And if you are single and still watching it, I feel a new connection is coming. Someone is going to offer you all of their love. My God, this is amazing. Let's see. Where is this connection heading, angels? Can you give me one? Wow, something is going to happen, friends. See, there has been some storms in this, or you may have, something suddenly will happen in this connection. Maybe you had faced a lot of challenges in this connection. Something was number 10, so something was destroyed in this connection, but I don't feel like it really was destroyed, because you have the victory card here. So definitely some sudden news or some surprise movement is gonna come. Maybe this is an old connection and you had like not in touch for years, and you are like, what will happen? But it was beautiful. You have lost hope on this connection, but my God, friends, it is going to come your way. Victory is going to happen in this connection. Things are going to move forward. Some of you had really like, this was the dream relationship. What happened? Let's see your number 2, your advice cards. Invention, creativity, and family. So definitely there is a lot of family vibes here. So you want to get married, or this connection is heading towards marriage. If some of you, maybe if you are already married, you could be getting pregnant or expanding your family. I also feel this connection, someone is returning back. Again, you look, these are the same cards from 2 different decks. If you see, there is a dove with a peace branch, here is a dove with a peace branch, and both are from different. So something is going to happen in this connection. It is going to be beautiful, and I feel you are manifesting it. What you are manifesting in this connection, that is going to happen. You have the angel support, number 444. Something is going to happen, friends. You have to stay open for it. Let's see, where is this connection heading for pile number 3? Where is this connection heading? Wow, see, teacups. So definitely a meeting or a coffee date is coming for some of you, or maybe you are going to go through a lot of dates, or happy union or something like that. Let's see your alphabets. There is a G, there is an I, and there is a Gia. So maybe the alphabets are in their names, G-I-A. The numbers are number 1 and number 37. That could be important. There is the teacup, so coffee dates or meetings or surprise meetings are coming your way. Umbrella, this person wants to protect you, and this is a protected relationship for both of you. Maybe your families will also agree or something like that. There is the wheel of fortune here, so things are moving forward. I think you had been waiting a while in this connection, like when are things going to open up? They are very, very soon. You also have the leaf charm, so definitely I feel this person is going to offer you something big. This something big is going to happen in this connection, And since this is a general reading, I would say it is positive or negative, this change that is coming in, but for most of you it is positive. You also have these leaves which are 3, so I feel family expansion is there, like 2 people becoming 3, or 1 mind, body and soul. So that is there. There is also the shoe here. So you are the Cinderella, or the, you know, genie of this person's life. I think Aladdin is important here. May is important. No, that's not May. Wait a second. Sorry, friends. Money is important. Uh, I told you, friends, this person was trying to work, or you were trying to build your career, and that will be solved now. Children are important, so definitely you both will get married. One affair, so messages are coming, breakthroughs are coming. 7 of Wands. This person or this relationship, no one is going to give up on it. January is important. And Ladybug, it's a very lucky connection. Something lucky will happen for you. 6 of Cups, this person is your soulmate. And there is the 10 of Wands. So yeah, I do feel something ended, but there is no hard feelings or bad feelings in both of you. You both feel a lot of love and affection for each other, and definitely marriage or child expansion or family expansion. Not child expansion, friends. Family expansion. Sorry, I apologize. So that is going to happen. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share our channel, Magic Vends Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvendstarot.com, friends. And that's it for now. Mystic C saying bye.